Hello, welcome to another episode of Warborg Gaming. It is an unboxing. Abow! It's for Lego. X-Men '97. Still on a high from this. I missed the last X-Jet that came out a good few years ago. I nearly missed this one, but I managed to grab it just before they it stopped appearing. Well, my friends got me into Lego a few years ago, good few years ago. They managed to get me back into it, but I was strict and I said I would only stick to vehicles for TV shows, movies that I love, and this definitely comes in. Also, it comes with some of my favourite characters. So we've got my favourite Marvel character, Wolverine. We've got my favourite villain, Magneto. And then I've got like Cyclops. And I think Rogue as a female hero is also pretty good. She's not quite my first female hero. That'll be Storm. But I already have a Storm. Let's look at the box quickly. So there's something you do. I've got Magneto using his powers. Might need to write home with that one. I'm going to flip that there. We've got that. All right. And the X-Men Blackbird jet has been built. What a beauty. I think this one of the characters is based off of the X-Men '97, as can be seen on the box. X-Men '97, you see? You've got the four characters there, Magneto, each comes with a different face. We saw them in the pictures, you can take a look at that now. We've got Magneto, look at that, happy and grumpy. We've got Cyclops, happy, slightly less happy. Rogue, determined and happy. The Wolverine one's an interesting one because he's got his happy face and he's got his what he would use with the mask. Without the mask on, it looks like he's got goggles, which is quite a nice little touch. But when you put the mask on, obviously it looks like the eyes are white in the mask, which is great, or you can have just the eyeballs there. What I found slightly odd is they gave him the claws, and you can pack them in the compartments in here, which I thought was quite funky, to go with the bullets, the guns. See the claws, but they didn't give him hair to wear him when he's not in his costume. But I think it's great. Like I said, you've got containers in there for the bullets from the two guns at the front. You've got sort of rocket blast here. You can find them through pushing there. There is some mobility on it, and I'm not sure if they're supposed to be locked in or if you've got the option to X-wing it if you wanted to, I suppose. You've got 4 figures in the packet, as we know, and there's plenty of room for them to be pilot and co-pilot. And then some more sort of, you know, X-Men or X-Men allies and an enemy in this case, depending on which comic you read, and the back there with them. So yeah, that's great. Good little build. Quite enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed it yourselves as well. Let me know what you think of that in the comments. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.